friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making banana baked oatmeal cups in the air fryer. So for this easy recipe, we need silicone cups that fit inside the air fryer, and it makes a total of 6. They're standard muffin size cup, and we need 1 banana, milk, egg, vanilla, oatmeal, it's quick oats, cinnamon, and baking powder. So I'm going to start by mashing a banana in a bowl. So let's peel a banana. And mash it with a fork. And once you mash the banana, I'm going to add half a cup of milk. And 1 egg. And 1/2 of teaspoon vanilla. And mix until combined. And now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of quick oats. So it's 1 cup and another 1/2 cup. And 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And now let's mix it until combined. So now I'm going to add the silicone cups to the air fryer basket. And I'm going to distribute the banana oatmeal mixture between those cups. So just fill up the cups. So now the banana oatmeal cups are ready to be baked. So let's put them in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 18 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the baked oatmeal cups. Look at that, they look amazing. Perfectly cooked, so nicely browned. Now let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Now let's see what's inside. They look amazing. So see, it's fully cooked, top and bottom. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. Perfect texture, looks amazing. And these are very healthy. I didn't add any sugar. I naturally sweetened with banana. So soft and delicious. These are not sweet enough to your liking. Always feel free to add about 1/4 cup of sugar or less, like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. It's up to you, but I like them the way they are. Super healthy, naturally sweetened with banana. This is a perfect breakfast or snack, and they're really filling too. It's so easy to make in the air fryer. You'll love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!